Hello guys, today I will show to you how to apply this floral pattern to the hijab. The material link in the description below, and pay attention to the hint of the shortcut at the bottom of the screen, and pay attention at the written message at the bottom of the screen. First, I open the file, the talent and the pattern. I drag the pattern. I convert to smart object. I reduce the opacity to see the talent. And then I Ctrl T to transform. I use wrap to follow the shape of the talent. And now I follow the shape of the hijab. I press enter. Opacity to 100 again. And then I use filter, liquify, and in this setting I use background opacity around 50 and pressure around 50, density around 50. Now I liquify following the shape of the hijab. I think this is okay. I convert to smart object again, and I will use filter, distort, and displace. But to do this, I have to make the data about the shading and the highlight of the hijab. To do that, first I select the hijab. And then I copy the hijab. And then I make it black and white. I clip. And then I merge. I duplicate the layer of the hijab. Here is to new document. If you see there is some pixelate detail here, then I want to remove it. First I convert to smart object, and then I use filter blur, Gaussian blur, to remove the pixelate at the hijab. And then I make new layer, and I fill white for the background, and then I save. I name it shading and highlight. Remember, you have to save this as type PSD or PSB. Otherwise, the displace filter cannot read the data. Now I save. Then I back to the layout. And then I use filter, distort, displace, horizontal scale 30, vertical scale around 30. Undefined area, I use wrap around. I click OK. And then I click the shading and highlight data that I make before. Now you see the pattern already follow the detail of shape of the hijab. Now I control click the hijab to take the selection and I mask the pattern, and then I click twice to the pattern, and then I remove the background of the pattern by using blended feature. About this feature, I already make the tutorial, the link at the description below. I remove the white slider. So the background of the pattern removed. I hit OK, and then I group this hijab. I name it hijab. Then I mark it with orange, and then I move the black and white hijab at the top, and then I clip, and then I copy by press Ctrl J, and then I clip again. This layer for the shading, so I make it multiply to make it darker, and then I click twice to enter the layer style, and then I use blended feature again to remove the highlight because this is only for the shading. And I name it shading. And then I make this layer become green because this is for the highlight, and the screen make it lighter. And then in the blended feature, I reduce the shading by moving the black slider, so only the lighter color of the hijab still there. This is for the highlight, and then I name it highlight. If you see the saturation of the pattern reduced because the effect of the highlight and the shading, so I copy the hijab and then I put on top one of the copied layer, and then I clip it, and then I make the blending option become color to return the color of the hijab, and then I make hue saturation on top to make it more saturated. I mark it with orange. So I think this is already good. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.